Introducing the Momcozy Breezy Clear Pro Electric Nasal Aspirator, the first of its kind, combining 2-in-1 design and hospital-grade suction to conquer all levels of congestion with ease. Unlike the traditional combo of saline drops and nasal aspirator, Breezy Clear Pro does it all. It moisturizes the nasal passage and loosens mucus first, then suctions it out with hospital-grade suction. It has 9 adjustable suction levels, 2 tips for newborns and toddlers, soothing sounds, and even a soft light to make booger removal easier for you. When you're done, simply put all the parts in the compartment, so it's always ready for next time.